Hi, I'm Ian from Gideon Creations. I'm just gonna make a goat. Dun, dun, dun. Go, 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 go. Today we're gonna make a goat. I'm gonna do his head. I did his head. I'm gonna do his horns. And now we're gonna do eyes. Here. Smile. His nose. Line. On his ears. Got it. Now I'm gonna do feet. This is kind of like a cow, except this is not going to be a cow. It's supposed to be Amina's little goat. Show the storm. I'm going to do a little tail. A little patches, kind of again. Now I'm going to do like collar thing. I'm going to do a barrel. I'm going to do like a thing. I'm going to do some stripes on the horns. This again. And now, tongue. And now gray. I'm gonna do his horns. And then we're gonna do his eyes. Everything for horns to go. And now I'm going to use the black. Boots things. Now we're gonna get some gray, lighter gray. Now I'm going to do it as well. And now his collar. I'll roll it round kind of to see the white. Now a couple patches of green for some grass for him to eat up. Kind of like a hill. Just went up a hill, walking up a hill. Right now he's happy. He's going up the hill with Yummy in the tummy grass. And the sky. And we're done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And you can see my other videos showing Batman and SpongeBob. And find me on Facebook, where you can suggest future content. Don't forget to tell me what you're creating, just like Ashlyn she made my SpongeBob. My last episode right here. So you did it like the same thing. You did it like the same thing. What kind of stuff are you creating? Do you like to paint, or color, or sculpt? Show me, I'd love to see. See you later, God bless. And today I'm going to show you how to make I got Tito balls. The end. Old MacDonald had a farm. Today we're making goats. And today that is our goat. What? Are you stinking? Am I stinking? I am stinking. Right here. Like this. Like this. Right here. Right here. Right here. But what we're gonna eat for dinner? Grandma, go, 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 go. Maybe. For your tribe. Meh. How do I have to do? The end. Bye-bye. The end. It's the end, all the goats. It's the end, it's done. It's done.